students. We have Shri Isan MDC of Omoy constituency, as one of our esteemed guests. We welcome you, sir. We have the DC of the Board District, a representative of the DC. We welcome you into our midst. We have Shri S.B. Bra, DSEO of Dubai. We welcome you, sir. We have in our midst the SEO of Dubai district, though he couldn't come, but his representative, Shri Frederick Marvin, is here with us. We now go to the SP of Dubai, Shri Vivekanand Singh Rathore, in our midst. We welcome you, sir. We have the SDO of Burlington Block PWD, Shri Haiplatni Lamkidu. We now have the OC of Raboy, Shri S.W. Pakentin. We welcome the BDO of Burlington Block, Shrimati Ramika Talam. We welcome you, ma'am, in our midst. We have the first headmistress of Little Flower High Secondary School, mawbri, Sister Jubli Palati, her representative. We have the Block Mission Coordinator, Varumang Block, Shrimati Ila Kattakir Sindram. We welcome you, ma'am, in our midst. For gracing the occasion in welcoming our esteemed